So I'm really excited to invite you to come and join AweStudio Art with Everyone. I firmly believe that developing an art practice will enrich your life and give you self-confidence and well-being that the joy of self-expression brings. So please visit my website, janetleah.com, and take a look at the student slideshow of all the different kinds of art we're going to be covering. Tier 1 is called Inspiration because it's meant to inspire children, teens, and adults, and those people with special needs. Everyone from professional artists to absolute beginners will find inspiration at this level because every month I'm going to present a video that covers a simple painting or drawing exercise. And so for the price of one private lesson in the studio, you'll get a whole year's worth of painting and drawing exercises from me. In level 2, it's called Imagination. We'll be developing exactly that, your imagination in a wide variety of art media. You name it, we're going to cover it in an extra video every month of me demonstrating that. In my third tier, I'm going to call it Intuition. And that's where I invite you to come into the studio with me for a live stream every month. You're going to watch me do a painting, work on a painting, or I'm going to teach you my unique method of accessing imaginative pictures through color spaces and tonal forms. Kind of like looking at clouds. You might imagine something, and it's not a process that you'll be able to learn in very many places. I like to call it Envisionism. The final level is called Envisionism. You go on and get a private consultation with me, 30 minutes, and I'll go over the work that you're doing, give you encouragement and offer my suggestions, and help you further develop this practice of seeing images in the tonal spaces and the colored forms. Patreon is going to help Art with Everyone spread its mission much further than it could with just coming to the studio here in Seattle. So please visit my website, janetleah.com, and take a look at the student slideshow of all the different kinds of art we're going to be covering.